Hello friends. So today I thought of taking you to a very beautiful place, and we are taking you to Expo 2020. We will be taking a buggy ride across the expo, and I will be showing you all the pavilions which are based in Expo. The Expo 2020 is so beautiful. When you will take the ride with me, you will be not only seeing the pavilions, you will also be seeing the surroundings, the markets, and the gardens around. I will be sharing with you any other thing which you can do when you are in Expo when we cross the pavilions. There are so many pavilions, hence I have also written the name of the pavilion when I will be taking you through the buggy ride. And as you see right now, we are going through Azerbaijan and Brazil. There are 192 pavilions like such, which will keep on coming. I want you to view them very seriously because they are really beautiful, and once you visit them, you also want to have a look physically of this pavilion. So we are on the buggy right now, and we are keep on crossing one by one all these pavilions. As now I am crossing the Singapore, and we are again moving to the other pavilion, which is Netherlands. So like this, we will keep on going to the pavilions. Now talking about Expo, this is a very big fair. It is basically based on three themes: opportunity, mobility, and sustainability. Now these are the three districts which are being classified here, and all these 192 pavilions are actually based in these three districts. If you are talking about sustainability, then that pavilion will be based in sustainability. If you are talking about mobility, then that pavilion will be based in mobility. All these pavilions are very well done. You can have an opportunity to do some sort of a commercial or a business within these pavilions because there are some officials which are sitting of these countries. However, this is a very good chance for the tourism as well because there is a lot of culture. They are talking about everything which they have in their country which is related with the tourism, and you will also let to know the people inside that pavilion of that particular country. Other than that, when we were taking the buggy ride, some of the very interesting things which I want to share with you is the architecture. The architecture of these pavilions are so amazing that every pavilion will going to give you some feeling of future or something which is related with the modern world or a past history, which is really worth seeing. One quick note while we are talking, that please keep on seeing the video as well because I am not naming the pavilions because this is why I have written the names, because there are so many pavilions. Okay, so again, just to catch up where we left, that the architecture is very well, and this will really give you a very good feeling. Now buggy ride becomes very amazing because it is so big that if you want to walk through the Expo 2020, it will take days. It is a very big area. So within if you choose to take this buggy ride, at least in 3 to 4 hours you have chance to have a look around, and then you can pick your best of the places which you want to go. Although I will recommend you to go everywhere because everything is very beautiful, but you might want to choose something which you want to do there. What I have also done is this, that not only I am showing you these videos, we have also put a blog which will be telling you about that how to reach to Expo 2020 and other logistics and the things which you need to know before you visit Expo 2020, because that will be very helpful in terms of arranging the various meetings out there, as well as booking the shows which are there, because this is full of shows. Every time there are so many shows happening and you might not want to miss any, but there are so many shows that it is really even difficult to attend them. So now you see we are keep on going, and the pavilions are one by one keep on passing by. Some of the very good thing about this Expo 2020 is this, that it is a contained city. So you don't have to worry about that whether I should carry my water or a food, or whether I will going to get the refreshments, because everything is self-contained and you will going to have your food and everything within Expo 2020 itself. There are certain things which I also want to share with you in Expo 2020. About Expo 2020 is this, that as this is a modern world, a modern city, they have equipped it with different small robots whom you will interact while you take a buggy ride or walk. They are very fancy, you can talk to them even. As well as there are many gardens, where you can let your children or even you can rest and play around. Some people also say that Expo 2020 is a place which is having so many screens. So I think this is also a very beautiful thing which you want to see, that every pavilion is having many screens, and some of the pavilions are having very huge screens outside them. So it looks like a very huge TVs or like a cinemas, and this again gave a very good feeling when you going through buggy ride or walking through Expo 2020. Now talking about at what time we have to go, so you can go right from the morning time, because it opens morning at 9:30 a.m. Get a bit crowded from 10:30 onwards. But in this weather, Dubai is such a a good weather as of now, that even if you start right from 10:30 11 o'clock, it is really worth going. And then you have the morning and the afternoon sun, and when the evening comes, you have a beautiful light, which is the lights coming not only from the beautiful pavilions, but the lights are also coming from this Expo 2020 ground, the way they have put all these lights. One more thing which I want to remind you is this, that because there are so many people who are actually visiting it, you also want to know that where you have to park your car and how to reach there. And I think these are the things which you can read even in my blog. But I can also tell you that all these three districts which I talked about, which is opportunity, sustainability and mobility, they have their own parkings, and depending on where you want to go, you can pick the parking of your convenience, and from there is a bus which will going to take you to Expo 2020 place where they have hosted it. Some of the beautiful things which are happening, which I just want to share with you, are the various stage shows. So what they are doing is they are calling most of the big singers, big name in this part of world as well as across the globe, to come and perform. So you can check before visiting that if some big show is there, you can always attend it. And there is a Expo 2020 app as well, through which you can take the guidance and support of what is happening there on that day you are traveling, and then you have your bookings through that app and you can visit accordingly. So as you are seeing, it is very beautiful, and once it get lit up in the evening, it become further more beautiful. Weather is as of now with us, because it is beautiful weather and it is giving everything which a person require. Evening time is the perfect weather, which is around 18 to 25 degree, which is the best of its time and the weather. And then you will also going to have something always hosting out there, which happen in the Al Wasl Dome. So just go visit. I think this is a wonderful place. I think this is one of the most beautiful city, town or a fair which is happening globally as of now, and I really recommend you, and definitely you will not going to regret, because it is the best, the bestest of the best. So enjoy it and have fun. Bye bye, take care.